Hello, in this video we are going to talk about prediabetes, the most common disease affecting 40% of individuals across the globe. You may have it, your friends may have it, or one of your family members may have it. So please listen to this one, share it with others. What is prediabetes? Prediabetes is your body waving a red flag. It means your blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not high enough to be called type 2 diabetes. Think of it like this. Your body system for handling sugar is starting to struggle. It's a critical warning sign and a chance to make changes. It is very common. About 1 in 3 adults has it, but over 90% don't know they do. Nearly 720 million people worldwide have prediabetes. It is reversible. This is the most important point. With action, you can often return your blood sugar to normal and prevent diabetes. The big problem? And doctors often miss it. Even when found, only a tiny fraction of people get the recommended advice or treatment to stop it. How do you find out? Who should get checked? All adults 35 years and above should be screened every 3 years as per American Diabetic Association. Adults of any age who are overweight should also be screened. How is it diagnosed? Doctors use one of three simple blood tests. One, fasting blood sugar. Sugar level after not eating overnight. If the sugar is between 100 to 125, you are in pre-diabetic range. Hemoglobin A1C test that checks your average blood sugar over 3 months. If the levels are 5.7 to 6.4, you are in pre-diabetic range. Second, oral glucose test. Sugar level 2 hours after a sugary drink. If the levels are 140 to 199, again indicates you are in pre-diabetic range. The important note, no single test catches everyone. Your doctor will choose the best one for you. Why it happens? Two main things can go wrong in pre-diabetes. One, insulin resistance. Your body cells stop listening well to insulin, the hormone that acts like a key to let sugar into your cells for energy. The sugar then builds up in your blood. Second, beta cell fatigue. The pancreas cells, the beta cells that make insulin get overworked, trying to overcome resistance and start to wear out. Role of weight and fat. Excess weight, especially belly fat, is a major driver. This fat can settle in your liver and pancreas, directly causing insulin resistance and beta cell fatigue. It's a spectrum. These problems start years before diagnosis. Prediabetes means they have reached the tipping point. The risk? Yes, prediabetes significantly increases your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. About 5 to 10% progress to type 2 diabetes each year. But the dangers start now. Even before diabetes, prediabetes damages your body. There is a higher risk of heart disease and stroke. It can start to damage kidneys. It can cause pain and numbness. It can harm small blood vessels in the eyes. It is linked to higher risk of cognitive decline. The good news? Reversing prediabetes lowers these risks. How to reverse it? Lifestyle. Intensive lifestyle changes about is the number one most effective treatment. The goal is to improve insulin sensitivity and give your pancreas a break. One, nutrition. Cut back sugary drinks, sweets, white bread, pasta, and other refined carbs. Add more fiber from vegetables, fruits, beans, and whole grains. Lean proteins, chicken, fish, beans, and healthy fats, avocado, nuts, and olive oil. Watch portions, use smaller plates, and be mindful of serving sizes. Second, exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes per week of brisk walking, cycling, etc. Add strength. Muscle is your best friend for blood sugar. Do resistance exercises like weights, bands, at least 2 times a week. Weight management. Loss of just 5 to 7% of your body weight can have a massive impact. Supporting habits, such as sleep 7 to 9 hours per night. Poor sleep worsens insulin resistance. Manage stress through walking, meditation, or hobbies. Do not smoke. Medical support. When lifestyle is not enough, sometimes doctors recommend medication alongside lifestyle changes for people at very high risk. Metformin, a common safe diabetic pill that can help lower blood sugar and is sometimes prescribed for prediabetes, especially for those with BMI more than 35, under 60, or with history of gestational diabetes. Your action plan. Get tested if you're over 35 or have risk factors like overweight, family history. Ask your doctor for an A1C or fasting blood sugar test. Second, get educated. Ask about diabetes prevention program. They are proven, supportive group programs. Third, focus on one change. Don't get overwhelmed. Start with one thing, like swapping soda for water or adding 15-minute walk. Partner with your doctor. Create a plan. Set follow appointments, usually 6 to 12 months, for to recheck A1C and discuss if metformin. Thanks for watching. This is an important video. Please share with others and we will see you in next video. Thanks again.